Good day, my name is Vincent Sales. I'm the branch manager at Vaxspec Centre Randburg. I've been working on vehicles for the last 15 years. I did my apprenticeship at Mercedes-Benz. I've worked for BMW for 5 years where I did my masters. I also worked at the Audi dealership for 3 years. And the interesting fact about me, I did my masters, so I'm very good at wiring, but I'm colorblind.
Hi, I'm Ernest and from Randburg, Vaxspec. I'm a master technician. I've been in the motor trade since 35 years ago, and I'm a master technician, diagnostic technician.
Hi, I'm Selvan Govender. I work at Vaxspec Randburg. I have 34 years of experience in the motor industry. The interesting fact about me, I'm well through with VW and Audi and Seat. And the interesting part about me is that I have extensive knowledge on Ford and Toyota.